All right, so we've got the sides done. I pulled the boat off of the trailer. Our next step is going to be doing the bottom, and for that we're going to be using Rust-Oleum boat bottom. This is a little bit more because this is the anti-fouling paint, but this is the part that's going to be in the water and possibly salt water, which, as you know, is pretty rough on boats, especially here in Florida. So we're going to be using the anti-fouling black gloss on the bottom, and hopefully it'll be nice and shiny just like the sides. Our next step is to mask off the bottom panels so that we can get some nice clean lines. All right, so we got the first layer down. I don't know how long that can have been sitting on the shelf at Home Depot, but it separated a little, so it didn't smooth out quite like I wanted it to. But we got more than plenty. We're gonna give probably 2 or 3 coats on this. Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in. As you can see, we are done painting. This was the hard part. I hope everyone is discovering something fun to do to take up their time being in quarantine. This is what we're doing. And now the hard part is over, and now the fun part begins, is when we get to start strapping toys on there. The next video is going to be all about rebuilding the transom, and yeah,
and trying to make this baby work.
And don't forget,
follow our Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Semi-Pro Outdoors.
Until then, thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for tuning in.